This is LED which I bought in Banggood.com, H11 type for RS200. Once again I'm repeating, it's H11, and this is a specification, and 40 watts low beam and high beam for 40 watts and 8000 luminance. Specialty in this LED is no wires. You can directly fit the LED, replacing the stock halogen bulb. You can see the H11 socket holder back of the LED, and for more information I just shown the product link in the description and some of the photos. This is a box which I received from them, and this is a LED which I previously used, Night Eye. The problem is here the extra wires is connected. Not only this, every LED you buy there is extra wires and it's terrible to install it. But this 7S LED has no wires and it should be more easier for installation. For installation video I have shown in the description, and in my previous video I have mentioned in the link in the description. You can see that. Clear view of this bulb and both the H11 socket here, and that is mounted in a wire, and this is mounted backside directly to the LED. We can see the demo of 7S LED in night view, and here it's a low beam and you can see the building in quite far, and high beam is shown in the far building. Just imagine the power in long drive dark roads. It would powerful than any other LED, since it's been 40 watts per bulb and 8000 luminance per bulb. Thanks for watching this, friends. Please share and subscribe. Hariharan.